Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the watch and phone so pairing works first time. Charge the Endeavour above half and make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled. Once done, install and open the Noisefit app, then press and hold the watch power button for 3 to 5 seconds to boot. You do this because a stable battery and required phone permissions prevent interrupted pairing and firmware errors, so power and permissions come first to make the rest seamless. You now pair and configure the watch. Follow the app prompts step by step. Open Noisefit, tap Add Device, and choose Endeavour. When a code appears on both screens, confirm it so secure pairing completes. Then grant permissions for sensors, notifications, and background activity. These let health data sync and alerts show. Make sure to accept a firmware update if offered to fix bugs and enable features. Finally, set time, units, and notification rules. You're ready to use features and handle common hiccups. Swipe to navigate, press to select, and long press for quick settings. Use the app to start workouts or view historical data. If sync lags, open the Noisefit app and pull to refresh or trigger manual sync. Restart the watch after firmware installs to finalize changes. If pairing fails, toggle your phone's Bluetooth, force close the app, and retry pairing. This simple sequence clears temporary conflicts and typically fixes connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.